Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't be confused with what you are seeing right now. This has nothing to do with the tutorial. It's just for the intro so that you don't get bored. In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can draw a face using LOOMIS method. Andrew Loomis was a very famous American illustrator and he is best known for his series of instructional art books. This is going to be a very easy and informative tutorial for all the beginners who want to learn to draw portraits. Not just portraits, you can apply LOOMIS method to draw faces from imagination, which will help all the budding artists to draw better. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss a video. So now, without taking much of your time, let's start the tutorial. We will first draw a circle. This circle represents the top portion of the head. Now draw two intersecting lines that connect directly in the center. Next, we will draw a square in which each corner touches the circle. The top line of the square will become the bottom hairline. The center line will become the brow line and the bottom line of the square will become the nose line. Now we will measure the distance from the center line to the bottom line. You can use your pencil to do this. From the bottom line of the square, use this measurement to mark the location of the bottom of the chin. Then draw the edges of the chin from each side of the square so that they connect at your marked location. You can see that we have divided the face from bottom hairline to the chin in 3 equal parts. Now divide the whole face into 2 parts to locate the eye line. The eyes are generally found on a line in the center of the head. The brow line is represented by the center line that we drew in step 1. So we know that the eye should be found just below this line, in the center of the head. There's another measurement to keep in mind. We should also consider the width of the eyes. The width of the head from ear to ear generally measures the same length of 5 eyes. See how it is divided into 5 equal parts. Now we have located the position for eyes, so let's draw it. Moving down the face, we will next draw the nose. The bottom of the nose can be found on the bottom line of the square that we drew earlier. The width of the nose varies from person to person, but it is generally as wide as inside corners of the eyes. It may be helpful to draw 2 light lines down from the inside corners of the eyes to help you find the width of the nose. Draw 2 light lines down from the outside corners of the eyes. It will help you locate the nostrils. The top line of the square, which is for the bottom hairline, and to the chin, we can divide it into 3 equal parts. This is one part, 1/3. This is another 1/3, and this is another 1/3. Now to locate the lips, I will divide the bottom 1/3 part into 3 equal parts. Of course, this measurement varies from person to person. This is 1/3. Lips are generally drawn in the middle 1/3 part. We can use the eyes to help us determine the width of the mouth. The corners of the mouth generally align with the edges of the iris. It may be helpful to draw light lines from the iris to the mouth line. Next, we will draw the ears. The top of the ears will generally align with the brow line, while the bottom of the ears align with the nose line. And now we will draw the hairline. The hairline is found on the top edge of the square. Hairlines varies from person to person, and here I am drawing the hair below the hairline. I hope you have guessed this face by now. Friends, this method of drawing a face can be very helpful, but it is not perfect. There are billions of faces on this planet and all are different. Even twins have some sort of differences when it comes to face. This method gives you a foundation to draw. It helps you determine the basic proportions of a face. Like in this portrait, I have done some adjustments. I drew the hairline below and I also adjusted the chin a little bit. If you practice this method enough times, then I assure you that you won't have to draw these proportions, as these proportions will be in your mind, and whenever you will see a face, your mind will automatically determine the facial proportions and you can draw very accurate faces with ease. So friends, now let's revise what we have learned so far. First of all, draw a circle and draw two lines intersecting at the center of the circle. Draw a square within the circle. The top line of the square will be the bottom hairline, middle one brow line, and bottom one will be the nose line. Now we will measure the distance from the center line to the bottom line. From the bottom line of the square, use this measurement to mark the location of the bottom chin. Then draw the edges of the chin from each side of the square so that they connect at your marked location. Further, to locate the eyes, we divide the head into two parts. The middle line we get is a line for the eyes. Now we divide this line into 5 equal parts, from one end of the ear to the other. You can notice that the distance between two eyes is the length of an eye. Now we will locate the nose. It may be helpful to draw two light lines down from the inside corner of the eyes to help you find the width of the nose. You can see that from the hairline to the chin, it is divided into 3 parts. We can divide the lower 1/3 part into 3 equal parts, and the middle part we get is where the lips will be positioned. So friends, that's all in this tutorial. Hope it will help you. Please write down your queries and suggestions in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to help it grow and to watch more awesome art videos and tutorials. Thank you and take care.